I am from Gaugra's Math. I am going to discuss question number 14. That has been taken from exercise 5.3, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find dy over dx of the function y equal to sine inverse in bracket 2x dot under root 1 minus x square bracket close semicolon minus 1 over 2 less than x less than 1 over 2. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that given that y equal to sine inverse in bracket 2x dot under root 1 minus x square comma minus 1 over 2 less than x less than 1 over 2. Here you can see in this function y is equal to sine inverse in bracket 2x dot under root 1 minus x square is there. Now the things given inside the bracket will be converted in terms of sign. So here 2 is there. If you put here x is equal to sine theta, it will become 2 sine theta. Here 1 minus sine square theta, it will become constant to cos square theta. Under root cos square theta, outcome will be cos theta. You will get here 2 sine theta dot cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta will get. So here I shall let x is equal to sine theta, imply that theta is equal to sine inverse x we will get. Put the value of x is equal to sine theta here. We will get here, imply that y is equal to sine inverse in bracket 2. In place of x, I shall write sine theta. So here write sine theta dot under root 1 minus, in place of x, I shall write sine theta. So it will become 1 minus sine square theta. Bracket close, you will get. Now here I shall write y equal to sine inverse in bracket 2 sine theta dot under root 1 minus sine square theta. So here write under root 1 minus sine square theta comes out to be cos square theta. You will get here y is equal to sine inverse in bracket 2 sine theta dot cos theta. You will get here y is equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta will get. It will become, implied that y is equal to, here sine inverse sine is there. Sine inverse sine will be cancelled out. We'll get here only 2 theta. So you have got here y is equal to 2. In place of theta, I shall write sine inverse x. So here write sine inverse x. Now differentiating WRT X, we shall get d over dx y equal to d over dx to sine inverse x. Now comes out to be implied that I shall write d will be conjugated with y, it will become dy over dx is equal to d over dx in bracket to sine inverse x, imply that dy over dx is equal to 2 d over dx sine inverse x comes out to be d over dx is equal to 2 whole over d over dx sine inverse x, you will get here under root 1 minus x square you will get. The answer you have got here, answer equal to dy over dx equal to 2 over under root 1 minus x square. This will be the correct answer. Answer will be dy over dx equal to 2 over under root 1 minus x square. You have got the correct answer here. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 14, exercise 5.3. Here you can see x is equal to sine theta. Theta is equal to sine inverse it will become. And in place of x, I shall write sine theta. It will become 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta it will become. So here you have got under root cos square theta comes out to be cos theta. So here you have got 2 sine theta dot cos theta. Formula is here 2 sine theta dot cos theta comes out to be sine 2 theta. So here I shall write formula as sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta dot cos theta, and sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This formula, and d over dx sine inverse x equal to 1 over under root 1 minus x square. This thing you have got. This is the proper explanation of question number 14, exercise 5.3. If you have any doubt in explanation and solution of this type of question, please comment in the comment box here. Okay, thanks.